Did you know that the world of tarot cards dates back to the 15th century? Originating in Italy, these picture cards were initially used as a playful pastime, much like our modern-day playing cards. But over time, their role evolved to become powerful tools for divination and self-discovery. Now let's jump right in for some tarot card basics. There are numerous tarot decks, each with its own theme, symbolism, and artistic style to suit your taste. Choose a deck that resonates with you personally to enhance your connection to the cards. Each tarot deck consists of 78 cards and are divided into two distinct categories: the major arcana and the minor arcana. The major arcana, comprised of 22 cards, represents life's spiritual and karmic lessons. Each card is an archetype symbolizing a fundamental human experience. Consider the Fool, the beginning of the tarot card journey. Each card has a number and the Fool is numbered 0. It symbolizes new beginnings, spontaneity, and a leap of faith, much like when you decide to quit your 9-to-5 job and start your own business. Or take the Hermit, a card that represents introspection and solitude, when it's time to take a solo trip or a time out to find yourself. On the other hand, the minor arcana, consisting of 56 cards, mirrors the trials and tribulations of everyday life. These cards are further divided into 4 suits: cups, pentacles, swords, and wands, each representing a different aspect of life. Cups for emotions, pentacles for material aspects, swords for thoughts and conflicts, and wands for actions and initiatives. For instance, the 8 of Cups signifies a time of transition or change for your highest good, like moving to a new city, or moving away from a negative situation. The 4 of Pentacles might show up when you are holding on to your resources tightly. This card encourages a balance between the need for stability and the willingness to change it up for continued personal and financial growth. Now, each tarot card is brimming with symbols, colors, and images, each carrying its own set of meanings. A simple rose might represent love or beauty, while a turbulent sea could signify emotional upheaval. Unraveling the mysteries of tarot cards can be an insightful journey. You might want to try a simple 3-card spread to start with. This spread involves drawing 3 cards representing the past, present, and near future. Or you might wish to explore the Celtic cross spread, a more comprehensive 10-card layout that offers a deeper dive into your question or situation. Imagine you're asking about a career decision and choose the 3-card spread. You draw the Chariot, the 5 of Pentacles, and the World. This could suggest a past victory because of your determination, a present financial or material struggle, and a future filled with success and fulfillment. Dabbling into tarot can be a fascinating endeavor. It's not about predicting the future, but instead about exploring possibilities and gaining insights into your life. So why not pick up a deck and start your journey into the world of tarot? It's a voyage of self-discovery, reflection, and enlightenment that awaits you. Let me know about your coolest tarot card reading in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and please help others learn about tarot by pushing the like, share, and subscribe buttons. Have fun with the cards, and always remember that you are amazing.